Every morning, you wake up with a full tank, not gas, not energy. Something far more valuable, your brain's decision-making fuel. And by the time most people reach their wallet, it's already half empty. Here's something nobody told you in school. Your brain can only make a limited number of high-quality decisions per day. Scientists call it decision fatigue. But what they don't tell you is this: every bad financial decision you've ever made might not have been about money at all. It might have been about timing. Think about the last time you bought something you didn't need. Was it morning or was it evening? Was it after a calm Sunday or after a brutal 10-hour workday? There's a pattern there, and once you see it, you can never unsee it. Here's how it works. Your prefrontal cortex, the rational, logical part of your brain, is the CEO of your decisions. It evaluates risk. It thinks long-term. It says, wait, do I actually need this? But this CEO gets tired. Every choice you make throughout the day drains this system slowly. And when it's depleted, your brain switches to autopilot. And autopilot has one default setting: choose what feels good right now. This is what wealthy people quietly understand. They don't have more willpower than you. They've simply designed their life so that important financial decisions happen before their willpower runs out. They automate investments first thing. They review budgets in the morning. They never walk into a financial conversation after a long meeting. They protect their decision-making energy like a non-renewable resource, because it is. And here's the part that should alarm you. Modern life is specifically designed to drain your willpower before you reach your money. Every notification, every scroll, every algorithm quietly consuming your brain's daily budget. So that by the time you face a sale or a limited time offer, your rational brain is already offline. You're not making a choice anymore. You're just reacting. And reactions are expensive. That's when the impulse purchase happens. That's when you skip the investment transfer. That's when you agree to a financial commitment you'll regret by morning. A research study once observed judges making decisions throughout the day. In the morning, favorable rulings came about 65% of the time. By late afternoon, that number dropped close to zero. Same judges, same cases, completely different outcomes, just because of when the decision was made. Now replace those decisions with your financial decisions. Your morning self and your evening self are not the same decision maker. One of them is building your future. The other one is ordering things at midnight that arrive Thursday and sit in a corner forever. So, what do you actually do? First, audit your financial timing. Look back at your last purchases you regret. When did they happen? Most were evening decisions, post-stress decisions, post-scrolling decisions. Second, front-load your financial life. Set up automatic investments. Schedule money decisions for mornings. Third, reduce trivial decisions ruthlessly. Every small decision you eliminate saves willpower for decisions that actually matter. Fourth, create financial rules, not financial choices. I invest 20% before I spend anything is not a monthly decision. It's a rule you made once. Rules don't drain willpower. Choices do. Your willpower is an economy of its own. Spend it wisely in the morning. Protect it throughout the day. Because the wealthiest asset you own isn't in your portfolio. It's the 6 inches between your ears and how well you manage it.